Meaning of glebe.
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 Glebe. Glebe refers to a piece of land that is typically owned by a church or other religious organization. These organizations would often let out the land to tenant farmers for cultivation, with a portion of the produce being given to the church as rent. In modern times, glebe can also refer to land that is used by a university or college for institutional purposes. The term has historical significance and reflects the important role that religious institutions played in owning and managing land, particularly in medieval times when agriculture was a major economic activity.